So we were talking a little bit about Mr. Wance's attorney, Larry Heim.
Yes.
Do you know Mr. Heim?
Yeah, he represented me. Mm-hmm.
And hopefully we'll have time to get into that, but I understand you used to personally see Mr. Heim?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And Mr. Heim was Mr. Wance's attorney?
Attorney and very good friend, yeah.
So they pal around together?
Sure.
Did you ever have a chance to see any photographs that Mr. Heim showed you?
Sometimes I like to go to Costa Rica on vacation, and one time he presented me with a bunch of photographs, my father and myself, of his time in Costa Rica. And it was very alarming when I saw the pictures, and obviously the girl was very young, and Larry was very proud of that.
So this was Larry Heim, Russell Wance's attorney?
Yes.
So what you're saying, you were with your father, or?
Yeah, we owned a bar, and we were cited by the PLCB. So Larry handled the case. After the hearing in West York at the district magistrate's office, we were talking outside, and he's telling us about this vacation he went on. And he said, "Oh, you got to see these pictures. Look at this." And then, presents these pictures of this girl that he was with, that he rented for the period that he was down there.
What was your understanding about this girl?
That for $30 a day, she would cook, clean, and do anything else sexually that you would want to have done.
Did he intimate that this woman was underage in Costa Rica?
He never said that outright, no, but it didn't take a genius to look at the pictures and see that she was.
How many photographs did you see?
Dozen.
A dozen photographs?
Mm-hmm, sure.
Describe her, what she looked like.
I mean, she looked like a Costa Rican girl. Dark olive hair, dark hair, pretty, very pretty, and very young.
How old?
I estimate 13, 14 years old.
You have a daughter yourself, you were telling me?
I do.
How old's your daughter?
12.
So
she was obviously a little bit more mature than my 12 years old, but obviously not a woman.
She wasn't 18.
No.
You're saying it was a girl.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, it's your understanding that Mr. Heim himself participates in paid sex or human trafficking acts.
I guess it's, yeah. If, Costa Rica, I don't know the laws of Costa Rica, but yeah.
Well, I'm not talking about the law, but right. I'm saying it's your understanding.
Sure, it's my understanding that for $30 a day, you can go to Costa Rica based on the pictures I saw, hire a very attractive young girl to take care of you in every way for $30.
You mean sexually?
Sexually, yes. Absolutely. So
when you saw these pictures, you're saying your father was there too?
Yes, he saw them, sure.
Well, what's your father's name again?
His name's Greg as well.
Greg. So you're the third?
I'm actually not a junior, different middle name, but...
So you were in your bar with your dad, or is that what you're?
No, we were standing in front of the district magistrate's office in West York when we saw these pictures.
And what brought this up? Larry's
talking about his vacation.
And what does he say?
He said, "Oh, I just had the most, you got to see this girl. She was incredible. Oh, the shit she did, and blah, 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 blah. And, you want to see some pictures? Yeah, let's see some pictures."
Was he saying he had sex with this girl?
Yeah.
So, but what I'm trying to get at the law is notwithstanding, this is called paid sex, right?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I guess when you pay a girl $30 a day for a week, you're paying her to have sex with you. Yeah.
But that's what he was telling you, your father.
Yeah.
And you saw the pictures.
I saw the pictures.
What was your impression of that?
I was pretty much sickened by it. Here's a guy that is... a fairly well-respected attorney in the county, smart guy. Up to that point, what I thought was a nice guy, having deviant sex with an underage girl. I'm not a perfect person, but never done anything like that. And especially now, later on, now as a father of a young daughter, it's reprehensible.
So is this interesting to you that Mr. Heim represents Mr. Wance?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I understand they've had this relationship for years, but they're birds of a feather in my book.
So it also seems like they have the same things you're saying to protect and to conceal.
They have a lot, yeah.